Hey guys, so it's time for me to bring you another LuxSB unboxing. For those of you that are not aware, this is Luxury Scent Box, which is a fragrance subscription. I will list all the information down below, but if you guys would like to see what I got for the month of March, then just keep watching. Okay, so I personally really like Luxury Scent Box, which they've rebranded to be LuxSB. It's the same kind of process, just a slightly different name. It is a scent subscription, a fragrance subscription. You can do men's scents, women's scents, a mix of the two. You fill out a quiz, they can give you suggestions, or you can pick and choose which scents you want to receive and when, which is really nice. So I believe you get one a month, but they send me a couple just to kind of share with you guys what they have available. So let's dive in and see what we got this month. So they give you a little velvet carrying bag, which is nice. And then the actual scent containers come in little boxes like this. And like I said, they sent me 3, but you typically get 1 a month. You get like a month's worth of a fragrance. And they all come in these nice canisters. You'll either have black and gold, black and purple, black and silver. You can kind of see them behind my other fragrances up here in the back. I have a handful of them. Now what I like about these is that you twist to open and dispense the product, but you can also pop it out and see what the scent is this way. This one is Shea and Blue White Peaches. Now, I haven't smelled any of these. I haven't looked them up. So I'm going to spray them and try to figure out the notes, and I'll look it up while I'm editing to see if I'm way off or if I got any of it right. So obviously it says White Peaches, so I'm hoping that this is like a peachy fragrance. But then you just pop it back in and it's ready to dispense. Let's try this one. Okay. I'm definitely getting like a floral undertone. Is that like lilies? I smell the peach. There's something slightly sweet to it, so perhaps it's the peach, perhaps it's something else. But I like this. It's not too floral for me. It's like a floral fruit orchard type of thing. I like this. So that's the first one. So if you're traveling, you just twist it to shut. It's not going to dispense while you're traveling or if it's in your bag, and then you can also put it in here to further protect it, which I like. So the next one that they sent me to share with you guys this month is, let's see, here's another example of the canister, black and blue, not like a bruise, twist to open, and this one is Mascara Oud Blue Notes perfume. That tells me nothing. Ooh. Patchouli? There's something like musky about this one. I like that. Is this a men's fragrance or a women's fragrance? That one's a bit more grounded, a bit more earthy, a bit more musky. But I like it. Is there a hint of mint in there too? I guess I'll find out when I'm editing this. So that is the second one that they sent me. And third for the month, I received a bright red and black canister. Inside we have Comptoir Sud Pacifique Vanilla Banane, so vanilla banana, I think. I have run out of things to spray, so I'm going to spray the top of my hand. Ooh, definitely vanilla banana, a little bit of bourbon. It almost smells like Bananas Foster, that like dessert you have where they like caramelize the banana and they put it on top of ice cream. Yeah, it definitely smells a bit like Bananas Foster. I don't love banana scented things, but I love vanilla scent, so I'm definitely going to give it a try. And then we also get a little card saying, welcome to LuxSB and thank you for being a member, matching you with the perfect scent, one fragrance at a time. So then it explains how to use a little canister. It says to open and close, twist to open, now you're ready to spray and enjoy, twist to close, and then to refill. Obviously twist to open it, pull it out, replace it back in, and twist it to shut. As mentioned, you can update your calendar and pick when you want to try certain fragrances, which I think is really fun. I do have a discount code down below if you guys would like to try it. If you're going to sign up for a new subscription, I have a discount code down below. Feel free to use it. I think it saves you like $5 off the first month's purchase, which I think is great. And I think this is a really great way to try fragrances without committing to like the full size bottle. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what was in my kind of March preview from LuxSB. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.